Now let's do a walkthrough of a system design interview. So here I'll cover in a set of steps how you would face a system design interview, what kind of things you can expect in a system design interview. So in step one, the interviewer would give you a problem, something like design a social network like Facebook. And you are expected to solve that problem in a span of around 45 minutes. So in the next step, programmer will ask questions to the interviewer, and based on his questions he'll try to figure out the scope of the problem. So you will try to find out the requirements, the solution that is being expected from you, and you will try to understand the problem as much as possible. It is at this time you need to write on the whiteboard the set of requirements that you think that you have to solve according to this interview. In the third step, you need to then put your design on the whiteboard, be it a data model, be it a set of API design, or it is a set of services that you think you need to design as part of this solution, or it could be a set of tables or whatever design that comes to your mind at that time. You need to design it and show it to the interviewer. The interviewer will then challenge your design. He'll ask you more questions on your design at that point in time, and you need to provide answers to his questions. He might ask you questions regarding scalability, performance, or how would you use caching, so things like that. Finally, the interview will end in about 45 minutes. Usually, the general time for this interview is around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Now, one point which is very important in this interview is that the solution that you provided should look realistic. So, based on your solution, it should look like that you can actually build the app that you have been given to design using your solution. So, this is a very important step. Next, we'll look at some real questions that you might get in a system design interview.